See Advanblack, what is it? It's like a nice little pizza box. What's the vibes, YouTube? It's your guy Will, back at you guys with another video. Been a little while now, and I gotta say, man, work has been crazy. They have been working me, laid some people off, and we're shorthanded. Workload remained the same, if not went up, but that's a story for another day. Appreciate you guys tuning in like always. Let's get right into it. Quick, you see the lowrider, you see the bags back on the lowrider, this side back on the lowrider. I was actually starting to put my saddlebags back in just because I really need these bags. I need the space, room anywhere I go. I got some little bit of storage. That being said, I ordered some stuff from Advanblack a while ago. I was waiting on it for it to come in. As you can see the boxes. It's come in today actually. It's crazy because I started putting these bags back on, and if any of you guys follow me on IG, I've been running the lowrider without no bags because I was hoping that this stuff would come in after I put my struts and my new swing arm on. I was hoping that this stuff would get delivered so I could just put all the new stuff on at the same time. But I guess it got delayed somewhat. It ended up coming in today, like I said. All right, right on the table, you guys see new saddlebag brackets. Why am I getting new saddlebag brackets, you ask? Well, one, these are a little bit better, but let me get back over here. The saddlebag brackets that I'm running now, they are Advanblack brackets, but these raise your saddlebags up 2 inches. The issue with these saddlebags being raised up is that I cannot run a tour pack. So I ordered the Advan brackets that will drop my bags down 2 inches and give me that functionality for the quick detach back. Like I said, I ordered some stuff and it's all here now. Let's unbox it and see what we got, because I only have 2 hands. Let me do the YouTube magic here and then I'll get back with you guys. All right, got everything unboxed, boxes down there. Set everything up here. As you guys can see, Advanblack, what is it? Boom. It's the new Holeshot mini trunk to match the saddlebags. Why is it that color? Because I ordered unpainted because, of course, you know, this is going to my guy Lee to get painted. So no need in paying extra for a painted pack that I'm not gonna be running, that I'm gonna get painted anyway, should I say. Right off the bat, I saw this in Daytona at the Advan tent down there and had to have it. I always wanted a tour pack on the lowrider, but I did feel like some of the King packs and other packs were a little bit too big aesthetically for this bike. But when I saw this at the Advan tent, I really wanted it, to say the least. It's like a nice little pizza box. Off the bat, let's go through everything that comes with it. Here's your pad that bolts to here. You got some hardware and other things like that. Oh, this is that little retractor. I guess it sticks on there. You have some weather stripping. You got, I guess, your instructions on where everything goes and how it goes to your mount. You have some more hardware, your keys here. And then this is gotta be your plate that sits inside of here. Causes, prevents like the flex and stuff from riding the vibration. That way it won't crack. This plate bolts up to the mount. All right, let's get on to the mount. This mount, I already had an Advan mount, but this is a new and improved mount. As you can see, you have like a rubber seal or whatever you want to call it, vibration dampener or whatever. But before, it used to be just a hard mount here and the pack would sit on it. Now they have this like rubber here that helps with like vibrations, like reduces vibrations and stuff like that, kind of like your polyurethane bushings on your riser, so when you're riding you don't feel all that damn vibration. This will help the lifespan of your tour pack, reduce vibrations here, so you won't have like cracking and all that stuff in the long run. Show you guys how it looks all mounted up, but it's coming right off because like I said, it's going to Lee to get painted. So let's get this bag off, get the 2 brackets off. Then we got to get the new brackets on the bike. Should be fairly easy install. At least that's what I'm hoping for. But let's get to it. While we unbox these Advan packages real quick, I want to remind you guys, the giveaway for the O2 Road Glide is still going on. We are down to 85 entries left. 85 entries. Doesn't sound like much, but it is. Let's get these sold out. Let's get this bike given away to a lucky subscriber or follower from Instagram. But yeah, 85 entries left. There was only 150 entries, $100 an entry, 85 left. Head over to nospeedlimit.com. Let's get this thing sold out and possibly somebody enjoying it this summer. Back to the video. Real quick, I'll show you guys what I mean. This is the one that was on there. As you can see, the 2 tabs, they're underneath the bar. So they raise the bag up. And then on the new one, they're above. So they lower the bag down. And that way you can run your Harley quick detach or whatever the hell you want to call it, hardware. It's a beautiful day, man. Got the garage door wide open. Right off the bat, you order these. The silver one goes in the front, and the one with the bushing or this little black grommet goes in the back. Not too bad. Let's just test fit this real quick. Like a glove. Oh yeah, you got clearance here. Might be blocking that easy pass camera. Have to catch me on another one. Lines right up, mounts right up. Real quick, just unbag this stuff. Really nice. Metal. It's not that plastic stuff. I thought it was gonna be plastic, but they actually upgraded this thing here. All right, pack is on real quick. I didn't want to get out of here without letting you guys see. So the pack sits about, it's roughly around like 8.5 inches tall. It is a mini pack. And then front to back, it is roughly around, and I'm going just storage capacity, probably like 15.5 inches storage capacity. Front to back, 8.5 inches tall. You see here, the inside about 15, little like 15.25, and I'm measuring from inside of this little dip here, 15.25, right, roughly, and then front to back it's right around like right 16 inches total, but like your storage probably be like 15.75, and then roughly around like 8 inches deep. So you got like 4.5 right here, and then I'm guessing like another 4, so 8.5 inches here, like 8.5 inches deep. You can't fit a full face helmet in there, but I'm pretty sure you could fit a half shell. And there's plenty of room in here for like tools and stuff like that. Now if you're running this and this is really nice here, because like the bike is leaning, you see it wherever you set it, it'll open all the way, but it will also hold it. So this is really nice, the upgrade that they have here. So kind of like a little lanyard. But like I was saying, you can't fit a full face helmet. Guarantee you can fit a half shell. But if you're running it with saddlebags, It'll be more than enough storage in combination with your saddlebags. Weather stripping in here. You see now, you gotta kind of like press down for it to latch, so that'll create a nice tight seal in here. Once again, this is unpainted because I'm getting it paint matched to match the bag. So this would be like the white with the red flames on there just to match the whole bike. I wanted to go ahead and assemble everything so you guys can see a new mount. You could pull this forward. Actually, you could pull it forward a little bit more or pull it back. I kind of put it like right in the middle, and then you get a little pad here, which is really nice. I do have some clearance there. Exhaust is straight back, so I should not have any issues with the bag burning. That being said, fast, quick, easy install on a Saturday. Beautiful Saturday. The weather couldn't be any better. Go ahead and sign out on this one though. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys tuning in like always. Y'all stay safe out there, man. Enjoy the riding season. Hopefully I run into a couple of you guys this season. Other than that, man, it's your boy Will signing out. Peace.